Hi, my name is Mike Fissell. We're here at SEMA 2018. I'm a contributing editor for JP Freak Adventure magazine. I'm also the president and founder of Jeep Expeditions, the #1 Jeep adventure club in the country, and what we do is overlanding. And that's why we built this Jeep, for overlanding. As you can see, I've added a lot of stuff to it. 4-inch lift from Superlift. On top is something that people have really been looking at here this week. It's a rooftop tent by Free Spirit Recreation. They're out of Bend, Oregon. The light there is a ready light. That's also from Free Spirit Recreation. A lot of my buddies bought these after seeing mine. It's very bright. And it charges via solar or 110 or a USB connection. And this will light up a campsite, guaranteed. The toilet seat is from a company called Bumper Dumper. And Bumper Dumper's been around for years. And everyone laughs at this thing, but I guarantee you what, whenever I'm stopped somewhere, the first thing people do is they see that and they're taking pictures of it. I've got a full trauma kit inside. I've got an emergency oxygen kit inside. Also have an AED. A lot of the guys I travel with, we're kind of old, so you kind of need to take care of each other. But cooking equipment, stoves, wag bags for the toilet. Got a Dometic 60-quart refrigerator freezer. It's actually a freezer on one side, refrigerator on the other side, so you can keep things frozen and also refrigerate at the same time. It's on a Tembo Tusk heavy-duty slide. In overlanding, we can't always get to a gas station before we run out of gas. So this is a 13.1 gallon fuel tank from Titan Fuel Tanks. Little siphon thing, you shake it and it just runs into the gas tank. And then another Rugged Ridge product is a tool carrier. It connects into your spare tire system. You can have an axe or whatever. My favorite, the Crazy Beaver shovel. With, of course, no Jeep build's complete without a high lift jack. I prefer the high lift Extreme. I've been using those for years. Then to protect my headlights, these are aluminum headlight cover from Rugged Ridge. The green whips you see there is from my onboard air system. I've got two ARB 450C compressors, one mounted underneath the hood, one mounted underneath the Jeep. Of course, you need a set of off-road tires when you do the kind of things we do. And I chose the 35, 1250, 17 Atturo mud terrains. The great tire, and one thing I was surprised with, is the performance on-road is that they're quiet, and I wasn't expecting the quietness out of them. On the front, you can see on either side, I've got the Rotopacks. I use those for water. The winch up front, that's a Rugged Ridge 12,000-pound winch, and that has a synthetic rope. And then you can see here, my club, we develop stickers for every trip we take, and basically those are the trails that have been done since 2016. On the other side, you'll notice the Jeep Badge of Honors. There's 49 on that window. I am the only person in the country that has done all 49 trails. I think Jeep told me that the next one behind me is like 30.